Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make logo transparent in CapCut PC. So in here, you can just import your videos and then add your logo into the timeline. So I'm going to drag it on top of the video like this. And I'm going to make the duration longer first. Okay, so let's say I want to add this logo right here. So to make it transfer, for example, I'm going to just remove the black background from the logo. So I'm going to just go to basic under the video here, scroll down and use this blend. And you can just choose this. Let's try the brighten, sorry, this one. So it will remove the black background, and if you want to, you can adjust the opacity to your liking like this to make it transparent. Or if you want to remove the white, you can just use the darken. So you can just use either the two. You can see the logo is still visible, but you can always adjust the opacity. And here you can also adjust the size and put it anywhere you like on the video like this, and you are done. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.